Good morning, my name is Paula and this is Enrique. We are responsible for the Department of Human Resources in our company.
Welcome, I see in my documents that you are Javier Molina and Laura Almendro. This is right?
Yes, it is.
That's right.
First of all, Laura, I would like to know why you choose our company for this job.
A friend of mine recommended this job and I decided to apply because I'm really into learning more about software and I also want to know how much I can give to this company. Thank you, I'm pleased to hear that. Well, now we're going to start asking you some questions about your work experience. Javier, tell me please, how long have you been active in the technological sector?
Well, I have been working for Accenture since I got a scholarship after finishing my electrical engineering degree. It was a wonderful experience in which I learned a lot.
So then, why did you leave it?
Well, they offered me a job in a foreign country and I didn't feel ready to work abroad, so I decided to change my job. And I was offered a job in a bank responsible for technological security.
What about you, Laura?
I started in Germany in a temporary work agency to introduce myself in the world of engineering. After that, I decided to look for a self-employment in Spain and I got a job in Telefonica. Nice, and what pushed you to do that? Because it's something I always wanted to do and it will help to face my fear of working abroad.
Okay, that's fine. As you know, we are looking for someone who has IT skills. Have you been into programming since you finished your studies?
Yes, I need it for my previous work and it is something I used to enjoy doing, so I usually learn new things by my own.
And what's your situation, Laura? Well, I cursed a master in telematics, but after that I didn't get more experience in that field.
Javier, do you rather work in groups or by your own?
Well, I have been working in group in my past jobs, but due to those personal experiences, I have noticed that I am more comfortable working on my own, as your success don't depend on what others do.
Okay, and how about you, Laura? I like working on my own, but I also enjoy helping my mates in any activities that I can.
Interesting. And what do you think about your personal strengths?
As I said before, I think I'm really good at cooperating with other persons, and I think I'm also really competitive, so I think that it could be a good point for the company to have someone that really cares about getting the best results for you.
Well, Javier, and what do you think you can bring to this post?
Well, thanks to my experience, I have participated in a project where a group of engineers were responsible of developing a software to search infractions in our clients' accounts. And here we will participate in a software development to test the company's products. In addition, in this project we use to manage Selenium browser to test our software, and you require this experience.
So, Javier, you said you refused to going abroad for a job. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Well, I think I see myself with a permanent job in your company, working for new innovative projects that contribute to improve my knowledge in this field.
And you, Laura, are you going to stay in the same company for a long time, or are you going to search for new jobs?
Well, I think I'd rather stay for a long time in a company because as I live abroad for almost 3 years, right now what I want is to have a stability in my life. Great! Well, that's all we wanted to ask you. Do you have some questions?
As you asked me earlier about my experience working in group, in the position I will have to work in group or individually.
Well, it's mostly teamwork. If you are the chosen applicant, you will be part of a collaborative, passionate and highly technical team. You will be responsible for designing comprehensive test strategies that ensure our industry-leading product is high quality. I also wanted to know if there will be a probatory period in which you train us for this job.
As I said earlier, the workers are retiring, so there's not going to be a probationary period, so you will start working at the first day.
Okay, so as I have read in your post, you are looking for test engineers that develop software in order to test your products. So what will be exactly my duties?
Well, you will be part of a team of engineers who are responsible for the development of a new software. Okay, and where are you looking for someone to start?
Some workers are retiring at the end of this year, so we need you for those dates.
Thank you very much for coming.
You'll hear our answer soon.